Jacob & Company Godfather, watch. Main features are Jacob & Company Godfather, i.e., is a high-complication luxury timepiece released in April 2026 to honor the legacy of The Godfather Part II. Dual Melodies features an integrated mechanical music box with a selector that allows the wearer to switch between two iconic Nino Rota compositions. Movement, powered by the Caliber JCAM62 hand wound movement consisting of 510 components. Flying tourbillon includes a high-speed flying tourbillon visible through the dial. Case design, housed in a new Art Deco-inspired curved rectangular 18K rose gold case, measuring by 42 by 44 m. Dial features a portrait of Don Vito Corleone and the signature Puppeteer Strings logo. Crown is engraved with spiral grooves reminiscent of a gun barrel. Caseback includes engraved bullet holes and a sapphire opening shaped like a piano. Power Reserve offers a 72-hour reserve for timekeeping and a separate indicator for the music box, which can play 8 to 10 melodies on a full wind. Price set at $440,000. Limited edition, restricted to just 74 pieces. It is notable for being the world's first and only double melody musical watch, capable of playing both the Godfather Waltz and the Godfather Love theme.